it's me. I'm Trinity. So I got question 1. So I'm gonna color coordinate them a little bit just to help with the explanation because I'm not the best at explaining things and colors help me. So for our first question, it says, on what intervals is f prime positive? So that means when f prime is positive, f is going to be increasing. So that would be whenever the line has a positive slope. So that would be from 30 to 70, which would be right there. And then it would be from 110 to 140. Normally we would say to infinity, but we know in this case that our interval is 0 to 140 only. So that makes our two intervals 30 to 70 and 110 to 140. Our next question is, on what intervals is f negative? Now this time we aren't looking at f prime. So that means our negative f is only going to be whenever our y value is under the x-axis. So that would be from about 17 to 42. I'm not the best at estimating, but that's what it looks like to me. And then it would be from 98 to 122. Again, that's because it is under our x-axis. Our next one is, when is f decreasing? So that would be when f prime is negative or when our slope is negative. So that would be whenever the line is going down. So it would be from 0 to 30. Sorry, they're blending a little bit. And 70 to 110. Now our next question is, on what intervals does f of x have a horizontal tangent? So that's when you're going to draw your tangent line and the slope is going to equal 0. So normally that's a maximum or a minimum on our regular f graph. So that would be right here at 30. It would be right here at 70 and right here at 110. Again, this is when our tangent line is 0, so that's when x equals 30, 70, and 110. Because as you see, I drew our tangent lines, and if you do the slope, they're going to be 0. Our next question, which is larger, f prime of 65 or f prime of 130? Again, we're going to look at our tangent lines. So if I go over here to 65, x equals 65, and I go up, this is going to be our dot right here. If I draw the tangent line, I'm going to try my best. It looks something like that. Now if I draw our tangent line for 130, I'm just going to draw over this kind of, or like right on top of it. It's going to look like that. So if you were to find the slopes of both of these things, you would see that this slope is slightly larger, which means it's going to be slightly higher on our graph, making our answer f prime of 130. Now I hope that was a fairly good explanation. I tried my best. And yeah, those are my answers. Thank you.